Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram not connecting. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram not connecting, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page here, you will go to click to find the application of Telegram. Then in this page, you will click first stop. After that, you will go to storage. Then in this page, you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to click manage storage. And when you will end this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.